Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chargebee subscriptions on Shopify store, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Chargebee subscriptions on your Shopify store, begin by logging into your Chargebee account. Navigate to the settings section in the Chargebee dashboard. Select the configuration tab. Click on Checkout and Portal within the configuration options. Enable the Shopify integration option. Next, move to your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify dashboard, go to the Apps section. Search for the Chargebee app in the Shopify App Store. Click Add App and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open the Chargebee app in Shopify. Authenticate your Chargebee account by entering your Chargebee API key. You can find the API key in your Chargebee account under the API keys section. Once connected, set up your subscription plans in Chargebee. Make sure to define the pricing, billing cycles, and any trial periods. After setting up the plans, head back to the Chargebee app in Shopify. Link your Chargebee subscription plans with the corresponding products in Shopify. Save the changes after linking the products to the subscription plans. Now, return to your Shopify store and navigate to Online Store. Select Themes and then click on Customize. In the theme editor, add the subscription widget to your desired product pages. Make any necessary design adjustments to fit your store's aesthetic. Afterward, test the subscription process by creating a test order. Go through the checkout process to ensure subscriptions are correctly added. If everything is functional, publish your changes. Finally, monitor your Chargebee dashboard for new subscriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.